How to connect two wireless Bluetooth earphones or headphones of different brands to a Samsung phone. This here is the Galaxy A55 phone with One UI 7.0, and it is gonna work the same for the S24 Plus, the S22 Plus, even the S23 Plus. Let's go ahead and get started. To have these paired together at the same time, there's a feature known as dual audio mode on your Samsung phone. So to know if your phone has it, first thing, pair up either one of these as you would pair them usually. So for these here, you'll just take them out the case there and they should go into pairing mode. Go into your Bluetooth settings on your Samsung phone. You'll look for the Bluetooth one here. A single tap takes you to this view mode here, and going into the details will take you to this here. You would want to go into the details area so you can see what's going on. As I turn it on here, you'll just wait for those earphones to show up. And you'll see this one here is called the MD. So I'll go ahead and connect that. And it's going to say pairing. You'll get the request here. I'll press pair and they're going to be connected. So it's these two here. They're connected now. Next up, we'll go ahead and connect the other earphones here. These are the X15s here. So we'll just take them out of the case. These usually go into pairing mode automatically. And by that time, you'll need to scan again. So you're just basically connecting them as you would connect them all the time. So you'll get pairing. All right, now the first thing you'll notice once you have them both connected is that you'll see that there is a color for both, meaning that they're both connected, and it tells you that they are connected for calls and audio. All right, now once that happens, you'll go into your quick access, which is the pull down from the right here, and you want to go into where it says media output right there. As you enter here, you'll see that the last connected devices are all there. And this one here is the X15, which is these earphones here. It's already selected. If you have a circle here to check in, that means you have dual audio. Again, not every phone has this for Samsung, but if it does, you'll see this here. Once you see it, select it, and now you'll be able to have both earphones playing the audio at the same time. From here, you can control the volumes individually, or let's just say you go into a video here. And what's gonna happen now, if you're watching a video and you press the volume up here like that, you'll notice there are two volume control panels now. So when you bring it down, they'll both go down together at the same time, or they'll both go up together at the same time. Also from here, once you see these show up, you can control them individually. So the one on the left is the MD. It's going to tell you the name of it right here to the top as you hold it down. So that would be these here. And then the one on the right side would be the X15s, which is these over here. And you can control them individually. Also, if your earphones have controllers of their own, you can control them on their own individually. And that's how this would work. That's how this dual audio mode feature would work. And that's basically it for this tutorial here. And of course, as always, if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.